again, grade 1. Today we will complete the unit 1 on the book. First letter on the unit 1, P, P. Question 1. Look, listen and repeat. P, P, pen, pen. What's mean pen? قلم. P, P, pot, pot. What's mean pot? وعاء. P, pine, pine. What's mean pine? دبوس. P, pie, pie. What's mean pie? فطيرة. P, P, pink, pink. What's mean pink? وردي. P, P, pound, pound. What's mean pound? بركة ماء. Question 2. Listen and chant. P, P, pen. P, P, pie. P, P, pine. P, P, pink. P, P, pound. P, pot, pot. Question 3. Listen and repeat. Circle P. On this words, we will circle the letter P. And question 4. Trace and copy. We will copy the letter P on this all line. Question 5. Look and write. We will write a picture. What's mean? Picture 1. Pine, pine. Picture 2. Pound, pound. We will write a P on the first or beginning the letter. 6. Listen and repeat. Trace and say. Picture 1. Tap, tap. What's mean tap? قبض. Picture 2. Pat, pat. What's mean pat? تربية. Next we will write the pat and tap on this line. Next page and next letter. Question 1. Look, listen and repeat. Night, night. What's mean night? ليل. Nest, nest. What's mean nest? عش. Nut, nut. What's mean nut? بندق. Nose. What's mean nose? أنف. Neck, neck. What's mean neck? رقبة. Net, net. What's mean net? شبكة. Neck, neck. What's mean neck? رقبة. Net, net. What's mean net? شبكة. 3. Listen and repeat. Follow and circle N. We will look on these words and circle on the letter N. Picture 1. Nose, nose. Picture 3. Nest, nest. Picture 3. Neck, neck. Picture 4. Night, night. Circle a letter N on this word. Question 4. Trace and copy. We will are writing the letter N on this line. Copy. 5. Look and write. We will look of this picture and words. We will complete the words of beginning the words. Picture 1. Net, net. Picture 2. Nut, nut. We'll write a letter N on the beginning of words. Question 6. Listen and repeat. Trace and say. Picture 1. Nap, nap. Picture 2. Pan, pan. Nap, قيلولة. What's mean pan? مقلاة. We will write a nap or and a pan on this line. Listen and say circle. We will teacher say a name of this picture and we will circle a first letter on these words. Sad. Picture 2 ant. Picture 3 teddy. Picture 4 pound. Picture 5 nose. Picture 6 arrow. Picture 7 time. Picture 8 6. Picture 9 nut. Circle the first letter the words begin with. 3. Listen, follow, and say. Right. Teacher you would say, what's this picture? And you write a first letter in these words. For example, sun, and tiger, teddy, net, pot, pine, set, night, eggs. Question 3. Follow and say, look and write, then listen. We form our words from these letters. Number 1, tap. Number 2, bat. Number 3, nap. Number 4, ban. The next page, listen, follow, and write. We will listen to teacher what the letters say and write on the line. Question 2, listen and circle. We will listen the teacher what the letters say and circle on this letter. 3, write and match. We'll connect the words that start of the same letter. Number 1, sink. Number 2, ant. Number 3, 4, toys. Number 5, next. Apple, teddy, nest, sun, pen. Example, sink with sun, ant with apple, pen with pen, toys with teddy, neck with nest. The last page on the unit 1, listen, order and write. Number 1, pan. Number 2, nap. Number 3, tap. Number 4, bat. Thank you, grade 1, and see you later. Goodbye.